Good morning, boys and girls. I know we've been having a little trouble with ELA assignments, so I just want to review it quickly. When you get on, click Change Stream to Classwork. Then go down to March 25th, which is today's date, and scroll down to ELA. You click the title. Magdalene Dinsmore posted a new assignment for 325 ELA. Now, step 1, watch the video. Step 2, read the story. 9 to 15 is on here. I read part of it, but in case you want to read it to yourself too, because it's hard to understand what I'm saying, this is an option too, to read straight for yourself. And then you do the Google Forms, which is the multiple choice. Everything you answer gets submitted to Ms. Dinsmore once you click the submit button. Then you finished 1, 2, and 3. So now we have to do 4. This is the one that we're having a hard time with. In this right-hand corner, it says your work assigned. Then it says your name, and it says 0325 writing. Please click the little picture, the little blue bubble right here. And this will open up. You can then type into this document. When you finish, you click turn in on the top. Do not click turn in until you finish. Now, some of you don't have this here for whatever reason. It's somehow getting deleted. If it gets deleted, under here it says make a copy. It doesn't say it right now, but if over here it says your work has been deleted, it says make a copy. Click where it says in black, make a copy, and then it will come back right here. If that is a problem, let me know and I will help you. Message me on Dojo or comment in your private comment and it will be sent to my phone. Then click turn. When you finish this document and you finish everything here, you could click turn in and then we will get everything. Thank you. Oh, also don't forget, iReady. Everybody should be going on iReady for 20 minutes. Have a great day.